Mic check, 1 2 1 2, mic check 1 2 1 2 3 4. Mic check, I'm up here, mic check down here. All right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Tesla cooking channel, Mark and Margarita's cooking channel. So we've been doing a lot of meals, but a lot of people have been asking for some snacks. We're stuck inside. You're either carb loading or you're going out and grabbing some other snacks that are just not good for us. It's true, even the categories. Look at the size of this guy. Say hi, Missy. Say hi, my name is Messi, like the football player, but I'm a lot fatter than the football player. Anyways, where were we? Let me wash my hands, we'll be back. All right, sorry about the interruption, we're back. Little introduction to the cat, you know, making his guest appearance. Don't worry, I washed my hands now, ready to get back to this, grabbing some junky food. So let's do something that's a little more healthier. You can nibble on in between your meals. All right, so here is your 4 basic ingredients, nice and simple. Peanut butter, raisins, oats, rolled oats, and good old Canadian maple syrup. Now you can switch out the raisins, you can use cranberries, you can use chocolate chips. We're using an 8x8 pan, parchment paper to line it, a little spatula, and a nice big bowl. All right, so like I said, very simple, very easy. Get your large bowl, 1.5 cups of rolled oats, gluten-free, peanut butter, 1 cup. Make sure if you do refrigerate your peanut butter, take it out and leave it at room temperature for a bit so it's not so hard. Maple syrup, 1/3 cup. Raisins, or like I said, cranberries, chocolate chips, 1/2 cup. And now the fun stuff, mix away. Don't be afraid to get in there with your hands if you really need to mix it up nicely. I just wanted to get my hands all nice and gooey. All right, let's get to the next step. So 8x8 pan, parchment paper, just makes it easier to get it out. If you don't have parchment paper handy, I suggest greasing the bottom a little bit to make it easier. Then take the mixture, pop it right in. The magic of editing, eh? My hands are already so clean. Basically push it down into the liner pan. Do not worry about the parchment paper being perfectly in here. You're never really going to get it that way unless you're an expert. And that I am not. I'm just gonna get my hands dirty. It's really, really sticky. Just push it down, flatten it out, get it to all the corners. Ooh, it's so sticky. Oh, that yummy peanut butter. We have to put this in the fridge for a couple of hours while it hardens. Into the fridge we go. And like I said, 1 to 2 hours. Let it firm up, get hardened. Then we'll get to the next step. See you guys in a couple of hours.
Your peanut butter oat timer is done.
Thank you, Alexa. It's ready. Let's get it out. Oh, it looks so good. So now get a tray out or a cutting board here. And again, with this, it just makes it so much easier. Come on, look at that. Boom, it's out. Yeah, flip it this way. There it is. Oh, no, that's not it. Look how easy it comes off that parchment paper. Cut this up. All right, so I sliced them up really small, nice light snacks, again, like a bar. So that the amount that I did there made 18 pieces. And again, you don't have to cut them up this small. It's the way I like it. Hard and cold out of the fridge. Let's have a bite. I'll be back. All right, so I got the airtight container. Pop them in here. And this one's not fitting, so I'm gonna have to leave it here and share it with Margarita. So there you go. I'm gonna pop the lid on here, put it in the fridge. Again, since it's all natural ingredients in there, it'll last between 5 and 7 days, but you can also freeze it to have it over an extended period of time. There you go. Peanut butter oats with raisin, 4 ingredients, nice and simple to make. Stop watching this now. Go on and make it. Or go to the grocery store, buy what you need, then come back, pause the video, write down the instructions, follow me along, and let's make it together. Thanks for watching.